Hey everybody, it's Matt here today. We're going to be trying something different. We're going to be making a Crunchwrap Supreme. Just like Taco Bell, but we'll just make it ourselves. Alright, let's get started. These ingredients are really simple. What we just need some ground meat, taco meat, whatever kind of seasonings you like to do. A little bit of ground lettuce, shredded, however you like it. Some fancy cheddar cheese, or Kobe Jack. I like the Mexican cheese. Some sour cream, and I got these little street tacos. Yummy, yummy. We're going to making those a little different. I'll show you how. And I got some large flour tortillas. All right, let's get this process started. All right, got my trusty cast iron pan, nice and hot. I got a little bit of vegetable oil in there. We are going to be doing two of the small street tacos, crispy them up. We're gonna throw them in the pan and bake them. Just to make them nice and hard, we need a nice hard crunchy. Stick them right in there. They're gonna be for the different layers we're gonna be adding for the Crunchwrap. This process goes really quick. I like to do this outside on the grill. And plus you're outside. Why smell the house up? Sorry. Ooh, that smells so good. These are plumping up a little bit. We're going to be reusing this vegetable oil to make the Crunchwrap really nice and crunchy. I like to poke these a few times just to get those air pockets out. We want them nice and thin. You can even do these to small tortillas or whatever you want in the middle of your Crunchwrap. Why waste food when we have all this extra? Whatever you don't use at dinner time or something, use it for your next meal or whatever. Why waste it? It's just different ideas how to do things. Plus, I like to do it on a grill. I can stick these on there and just let them like, it's like a bacon sheet almost. Just let it cool out. It is steaming a little bit because it's only 30 degrees outside. Supposed to get a big lake effect storm coming in today. To nice and golden brown a little bit more. Smell really good. Just like the hot side. We want these super, super crunchy. Yeah, I decided to start making a cooking channel because I love to cook. I love to travel. Ooh, that looks really good. I enjoy doing it. And plus I like being outside. That's why I'm always outside cooking. Because in Ohio, you really don't. Winter time, you hate to even go outside and cook. Ohio, it just sucks in the winter. I'm always outside cooking still in the winter because I like being out. But I just can't deal with the cold anymore. Okay, that's what you're kind of looking for, a nice golden brown. We're going to set these on the top rack, or you can bot or whatever you want to do. Just like that. It's going to be nice and crispy. Press those down. One grip. Okay. here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get a large tortilla, just like this. And then we're gonna put a little bit of meat on it, just like this. And what the heck, a lot more on there. Make a nice big one. Just like this. And what the heck, even more. We're gonna add some cheese. A lot of cheese. Who doesn't like cheese? Okay. Then we're gonna take one of those nice, fancy, crunchy tacos we just crunched up. Oh yeah. Nice, listen to that crunch. Okay. We're gonna add some, yeah, we'll add some sour cream on this layer. You can add whatever you like to this. A little more cheese. Just like this. Add some lettuce. Ooh, yeah. And then we're gonna want to get that one up. Just like this. Nice crunchy. More taco meat. More cheese. Oops. Oh well. Yeah, you're always gonna have messes sometimes. A little bit lettuce in this. Just like that. And then we're gonna take another soft taco. Just like this. We'll add a little more sour cream. Yeah, we'll add a little sour cream. Whatever you want. Because then we're going to take this just like this. Ooh, that's nice and big. The trick is trying to take fold. You fold it again. You fold it. That's how you make it. And keep going. Like this. Well, that's a nice big crunch wrap. And see, you can just let it rest for a couple minutes. That's the trick I found, because the heat from the taco meat is gonna loosen that up a little bit. All right, so we're gonna be putting the crunch wrap in that hot oil. See, it's been resting for a few minutes. The trick is trying to put it right on here. So it's been trying to get those little folds in there. That's the hard spot. It's only gonna take a few minutes because the oil's still really, really hot. We're just pretty much just using this just to make that outside nice and crunchy. Just a nice, like a good crunch wrap. Let's see. Move it around so it just doesn't get stuck. You even do this indoors on like a little press or whatever you feel like doing. It is snowing in the garage, so that's why you see a little bit of flare up a little bit. And bring these trusty tongs over here just in case we need them, just for the flip. So you got a little blowout right there, but hey, it's a nice good color on that. That looks nice. I did shut the heat off, so it's just constant heat from that cast iron, so it's going to hold that heat for a little bit. Still. I keep moving it just for it doesn't get stuck. That's the only reason I'm moving it. Who wants a missing part of a crunch wrap? Yeah, it's coming along. Yeah, this just helping it. If you didn't want to cook this, I would just use it, cook it inside on a press. One of those, like George Foreman things. That way you don't have to worry about the hot oil. see, there's a Crunchwrap on the table, on the tin bun. We're gonna cut this right in half. Hear that nice crunch. And let's see, bring it right up to the camera for you can see it. You got nice layers, cheese, sour cream, lettuce on every layer. It's very good. It's a quick idea. You even could do this with leftovers, regular food, regular ground meat you just ground right now, but it's really good. All right, hope you liked the video. Thank you.